It's that time of the day for The Law and You, where we give you great free legal advice, and here to help us do that, we have attorneys Corey Suda and Greg Fellerman. Great to see you both.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
You always have such great advice for our viewers, so let's get to this question today. This comes from Steve in Wilkes-Barre. Steve says, I recently went in for surgery and contracted sepsis. I feel as if the hospital is at fault. What can I do? An unfortunate situation for Steve, but what advice do you have for him?
It's very unfortunate, and the more unfortunate part is this happens far too often. You go in for surgery and you expect that everything, the utensils and everything they use are clean and sterile. A lot of times people that go in for surgery contract this sepsis. You certainly have a claim. You should get to an attorney immediately. You have to get the records and have an attorney review them so they can have a doctor look at it to determine, is the hospital at fault for this, or did you get it after you left the hospital?
Yeah, the sepsis cases, they're tough too because, it could happen and it's not supposed to happen, but it does. So I think in these situations, and that's just really in any medical malpractice situation, you need to pick up the phone, talk to an attorney, and if that attorney has the right team in place, which we do, we have nurses, doctors, that we have access to. We have nurses on staff, doctors we use as experts to help us review those cases. We can answer those questions for you free of charge, no cost. And again, we don't take every case. That we get a lot of calls on medical malpractice because people have a lot of questions, but we take very, very few of them because they're tough cases, and they're not the easiest to win. And sometimes just things happen, but if you have a question, pick up the phone. We can answer them for you. It's really important, yeah.
All right, Attorney Greg Fellerman and Corey Suda, thank you guys so much for your help today and your advice.
Absolutely.
If you have some more questions for us, you can send them to pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.